So when putting together A+, I definitely knew I wanted to put together something that was really strong and really effective. I'm a big believer that you need 3 things in your life in order to have great skin. And having a retinoid is one of those critical things that you need to really transform your skin. So what I put together is a really high-dose retinoid serum that's balanced by botanicals. It transforms your skin with 3 retinoid or retinoid-like ingredients. So we have 5% of trans-retinoic acid ester. We have 1% of a liposome encapsulated retinol. And then we use 0.5% of a blue-green algae, which has natural retinoid-like activity. There's Hawaiian white honey in there. There's coenzyme Q10, which is one of my favorite antioxidants. There's ginger extract and there's cactus extract. So make sure that as the skin's getting this really powerful transformation from this retinoid blend, it's also getting balanced by botanicals. And with creating a really balanced formula, you get all the benefits of having a really high dose transformative retinol serum without all the drawbacks and the side effects. And I think anyone interested in retinoids will really love this product because they're gonna see results right away no matter what their concern is. And then they can customize how they use the product to get the results that they want to see.